At a track event, the distance, y, in meters traveled by student A in x seconds is represented by the equation y equals 7x. The graph shows the distance traveled by student B. Part A. Which student is faster? Let's start with student A. To find the speed of student A, we need to find the slope of the equation given in the problem. The equation is y equals 7x. The slope is 7. This tells us that student A travels 7 meters per second. Now let's look at student B. To find the speed of student B, we need to find the slope of the line on the graph. Remember, slope equals rise over run. In the graph, we see that the rise is 24 and the run is 3. 24 thirds is 8, so the slope is 8. This means that student B travels 8 meters per second. So, as you can see, student B has the greater speed, so student B is faster than student A. Now let's look at part B. Graph the equation that represents student A in the same coordinate plane as student B. Compare the steepness of the graphs. What does this mean in the context of the problem? First, start by graphing the equation y equals 7x in the same coordinate plane as student B, and label the line as student A. Now we need to compare the steepness of the graphs. The graph that represents student B is steeper than the graph that represents student A. Finally, we need to answer the question, what does this mean in the context of the problem? In the context of the problem, this means that student B is faster.